Hey guys, Thomas Tallon here at MarineMax. Today I'm giving you a quick walkthrough on this 2015 Chaparral 223 Vortex with twin engines. Guys, this is a freshwater boat used here in Upstate South Carolina on Lake Hartwell. Low hours, premium audio system in great condition. Has a nice boarding ladder up here on the front. Nice bow seating with a full sun pad. Walk-through windshield. Large cockpit with wraparound seating and a reversible seat. Nice swim platform to hang out. You'll see plenty of room in the cockpit. The boat also has full snap-in flooring that is currently stowed away. You have a subwoofer stored under here, audio speakers, extra tower speakers. In the floor storage, again, a reversible seat. Guys, all your instruments are integrated right here on the screen. You'll have your Poke audio controls right here. You have an air door with more storage on both sides of the consoles with a full table. Guys, this boat is here in Greenville, South Carolina, currently on Lake Kiwi and available. For more information, please reach out. Thank you for looking and have a great day.